So let me show you how the WhatsApp chatbot works. So here I'm going to enter a message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot which I have already built in. So as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message with this button that is see items. So here I'm going to select it, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting the list of the products which I can purchase from this particular store. So right here I'm getting some of the products. So here I will be selecting this first product, that is smartphones. And as I have entered this product, I'm getting this message which says tell me what you are looking for in smartphones. And right here I'm getting the same product which I have just selected. And now here I'm going to enter my requirements for my smartphone. So here I'm going to enter this message that is I want a smartphone with high camera quality. Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting some of the questions, and with this I'm getting some of the recommendations. Now let me enter the answer of all these questions and we will see what we get in the answer. So here I'm going to provide this answer, and right here you can see that I'm getting the response. So here you can see that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, I can see the products provided by this particular store, and I can even get the recommendation of the product too. So now I'm going to show you how you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, by using which you can list the products provided by your store to your customers within the WhatsApp, and your customers can even get the answer of their queries and can get the product recommendation too. So now let's see how to create this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the message which has just initiated our WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to make this word as my keyword. And the next we are getting this option for regex, which is used for the advanced user input. And right here we are getting these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that you just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message notes. So here I will be selecting text button. Now in this text button note, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So right here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to create a button by simply selecting this add button. And here I'm going to enter my button name as see items. Now if my user select this button, I'm going to provide them list of the products provided by my store. So here I'm going to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this option for list. So by selecting this list node, I'm going to provide the list of the products provided by my business. And now here I'm going to firstly enter the body. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as products, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items by simply selecting this add items, and here I'm going to enter the title of my first list item, that is smartphones. And likewise, I'm going to add some more items to this list. So here I have added 2 more items to my list. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I want to get to know which item my user has selected. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this option of set custom field. And now here I'm going to connect it with my first list item. And from here you can select the contact custom field. So right here I'm going to select my contact custom field as product. So now let me search for it. And this contact custom field product will consist of the product selected by my user. So now I'm going to enter the same value for which I have created it. Now if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And right now I'm going to provide contact custom fields to remaining list items too. So right here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to ask them a question regarding the requirements of my user on that particular product. So for that I'm going to use this ask question node, and here I'm going to enter a question. So here I have entered this question, and this question consists of this variable that is $product. So this variable signifies the contact custom field which we have just selected for this question. Now as soon as my user will select any of these list items, the response will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message. And now here I'm going to select my contact custom field as description. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that we are getting this contact custom field. Now let's select the format as any. Now if my user provides me the requirements, I'm going to assign the AI assistant which is going to resolve the queries and recommend the product to my user. So for that I'm going to use this assign AI assistant node. And if you want to create your own AI assistant, then you just have to select AI assistant given over the sidebar. And this AI assistant which I'm going to select, that is electronics AI, is going to respond according to the knowledge base which I have provided to it. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have provided to my AI assistant. So knowledge base is basically a document containing the details of the business. And right here you can see that this knowledge base starts with a business overview which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here you can check out the product categories too. So this basically acts as the brain for the AI assistant. So my AI assistant is going to use this knowledge base and recommend the product to my users. And now I want my AI assistant to start with the client message. So as soon as my user will provide the requirements, this AI assistant will recommend them the products. So with this we are done with the creation of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, by using which you can save up a lot of your time, as this is going to automate all the manual conversation between you and your customers. Now don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting this save button, and here you can see that it is saved successfully. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.